My name is Kimberly Rose. I am a Community Reentry Officer with the Electronic Monitoring Unit. The purpose of community supervision in my eyes is assisting someone with resources in the community, helping them rebuild their life, helping them integrate back into the community successfully, whether it's helping them find employment, find resources, establishing relationships with their family, just helping them to be successful. A lot of these individuals, they get out of prison and they don't have a plan, they don't have that support system. So just us being there for them, us being able to provide them resources and guidance. So I think our role is very important. Most of my individuals that I work with, I have a standard of how I work and they understand that. And there's boundaries and they understand those boundaries. And I think just setting that from the beginning and working with them along the way, that's a great way to build trust. Hey Roger, I'm not sure if they found you, but I'm here. He has been on supervision a little over 2 months now. He recently did 30 years in prison. Okay, but I'm downstairs in the parole office. He's at New Freedom right now. He's loving it there. All right, how are things going? How's your week? How's your weekend? He's doing really good, honestly. He's really motivated. He's determined to be successful in the community.
I love her. I love her. I'm not saying that because she's here, but I think she and I got a good rapport the first day we met.
My relationship with him, obviously professional, but it's very good. How is your programming and classes going? I don't come into this with the mentality of I'm the boss. I come into it as we are equal. We've all made mistakes in life, and I'm big on giving everyone grace. And I just try to guide them. I try to be more of a role model to them, if anything. You're doing good though, just one day at a time.
I know that she will get on me if I go to going through the wrong direction. I got to make my own choice.
Right. And doesn't it feel good?
It does. The rapport she and I have, I think she would do it even if she wasn't getting paid for it, to put me back in line, So I love her. I love her. As my sister, not my parole officer.
I remember you got your cell phone. So are you texting frequently more on there? The sister role, that was surprising to me, but I accept that. It's what helps build our relationship and helps me be able to relate to him more and understand him and just helping him build trust with me.
I told Miss Rose when I first got out, I said, hey, we finna do something different. I said that recidivism thing, I said, I'm not finna be a statistic. We're done.
And you have a good mindset, I appreciate that. Little things like that, it makes me feel good. It reminds me why I do this job, and it just shows me that I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing. I'm doing what I'm called to be doing, and I'm impacting people's lives. I'm impacting the community, whether it's big or small.